now you can see our gorgeous model looking all pretty with her hair in whatever direction she wants. So this is now lifting it from extreme end like that, and you could drop that down and you still have this a bit of a side parting. You could drop that down again. See how it's changing? And you could still drop that further down. Again, a hint of like a little bit of a side parting, and now drop it down. And you get your center parting. See, look at that. That is so gorgeous. So do you like your hair, Mega? Yes. Yeah, that's my girl. So it gives you so much freedom to play with your hair in whatever direction you want. And the same thing we just did with that other side, you can do with this side as well. So you're lifting it slowly. See that? It's already formed this style. You lift again. And another style. So it's extremely versatile and gives you that freedom to do what you want to do with your hair when you feel like it. And that's back to school. So a style that can withstand whatever pressures life throws at you. You don't have to worry. You wake up in the morning and you're ready to go. So we hope you learned something exciting and something new with this hairstyle, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. So as usual, you know, click that like button, click that notification button to know whenever we've got something new for you, and stay in touch with us and follow us on all our social media network or platforms, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. God bless you as always.